Happy Saturday! Today is August 24. Kami lang ni Holly kasi yung boys nagputi sila an hour away. So, hindi kami sumama. Nilulutuan ko si Holly ng lunch. Anong oras na ba? 11:20. 11:18 dito. 11:20 doon sa ano namin, sa clock. Ito yung aking niluluto kay Holly. So, ito yung lunch ni Holly. Ano to? Pork mince na pina-crispy ko. Tapos nilagyan ko ng seasoning. Tapos meron tayo ditong sunny side up eggs. And nagluluto rin akong kanin. And lalagyan ko to ng basil. Para siyang Thai na dish. So lalagyan ko tong basil kasi mayroon akong basil dyan. Ito yung basil. Lagay natin yan. So ayan na yung rice ni Holly. And ito na yung ating pork giniling. So i-assemble ko lang yung lunch ni Holly. So ilalagay ko lang to sa ibabaw. Yung ating ground pork na may basil. Crispy nyo guys. And lalagay natin yung sunny side up egg. Ayan yung lunch ni Holly. And may tira pa. Baka yung mga boys later. Ayan, Baba, come on. No.
Thank you.
Welcome. And ako magro-roast ako ng kamote, diba? Kasi sayang naman ang ating pag-workout. Wait lang. So, mamaya ako pa ito kakainin. Pero lutuin ko. And ako, ayan, nagsitransfer ako ng files. And, Holly, what do you think of your lunch today?
Good.
Good?
I like the meat. I like the meat. It's a bit crunchy.
Crunchy. Ay, dark naman ng ating DJI. So, eto yung meal ko for today. Meron ako dito, di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, magkakamote ako. Ayan, ni-roast ko na yung kamote, yung sweet potato. Meron tayong roast chicken from Coles. And gumawa ko ng sarili kong dip. Ito ay combination ng avocado, cottage cheese, mozzarella, artichoke, sun-dried tomatoes. Ano pa ba? Yeah. Kung anong meron ako sa fridge. Pinaghalo-halo ko lang. Dates. Naglagay din ako para meron siyang sweetener. So, yun ang aking pagkain. And meron pa akong tira dito. Pasok pa to sa aking calories. And ayan yung chicken. So, hindi ko inubos. Ito muna. Para mamaya meron pa akong kakainin. And nag-bake pala ako ditong cookies. Which one you want?
This one, please.
This one. Ito. No, it's not that hot. It's alright. And do you want milk?
Yes, please.
Ayan. Ang aking kakainin. Mamaya-maya.
Mom, we should make like these.
Merienda siya. Hindi maganda ang pakiramdam ni Holly. May sipon siya eh. Kaya hindi kayo pumunta sa foodie. You're welcome. And eto, gagawin ko yung dinner namin para bukas. Cordon bleu. Ayan. Cheese, mozzarella, ham, chicken, may seasoning mix. August 25, Sunday. Gawa na ako ng dinner. Ito yung prepare ko kahapon na chicken breast na gagawin ko today na cordon bleu. Ayan yung pagdidipan sa chicken breast. Ayan na yung ating cordon bleu and gumagawa rin akong dessert. Ayan, yung favorite ng lahat dito sa bahay, yung biko.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go.
And gumagawa rin ako ng white sauce para sa ating cordon bleu. Nanunod yung aking fam na foodie.
Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel
Kain! Papa Jesus, thank you for the food.
Thank you for food.
Okay, come on kids.
That's enough, Holly. You won't eat all that.
Yes, baby, that's too much, Holly. Here, hon.
Ah,
Sorry.
not.
Sorry. You want hot food?
on that side, yeah.
Nice sauce, huh? Can I have a rice, please? I'm gonna have rice because it's Sunday. Rice for me.
Oh, wow. Manu, they use all the rice.
Yeah.
Pasadi.
No, the throwing a rather just missed.
Dad.
Holly, what are you doing? You're not having any of this?
Yes, I am.
Oh, why?
Yes, sir. Let me just put this.
You do it wrong, honey.
Why?
It's upside down.
Oh, don't worry, mate. It's going to be upside in my mouth.
It's gonna be all munched up in the mouth. And all all
Are you gonna have some too, Sir?
I have one of these biscuit, Mum.
Ah, it
You
broke.
throwing it apart?
No, I don't know. Mama.
It's too much for her, huh?
Yes, I want all of that. Will we clean this? Yes, Dad.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah, the cream is here.
Yes, Dad. Yeah. Look at that. I didn't eat any yet.
How much do you want, Zach?
Hang on, don't do it yet, don't do it yet.
Already
a little.
did.
Give me a
Good, baby?
That's good. That was good.
Doesn't all that, Jack.
Good, Zach? Si Kuya lang hindi kumakain ng biko dito.
No.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes.
And si Holly pala, hindi siya pumasok ngayong Monday kasi mayroon siyang sinat and mayroon din siyang sipon. Kaya pala nung Saturday, ayaw niyang sumama sa footy kasi medyo masama na pala yung pakiramdam niya. So may sinat siya kahapon, tapos ngayon, kaya hindi namin siya pinapasok. So ginagawan ko siya ng soup, yung mala Korean style na may noodles tapos spare ribs na pork. Eto, kita ko sa inyo. Si Jan, nagkakat na siya ng lawn sa harap. Kanina dito sa likod. Ayan. Wala akong radish. So, ang linagay ko is yung small na mga patatas. Nabanggit ko ba? Korean style soup to, guys. Lalagyan natin siya ng noodles mamaya. And tinanggal ko na yung mga nilagay kong iba, like yung spring onions. Tinanggal ko na. Pero nagtira akong fresh para mamaya. Ilalagay ko yun. Ay, mahulog yung isa. Para ganaan si Holly kumain. Kasi diba pag may sinat tayo, may sakit, mas gusto natin yung soup ang kinakain. Yung may soup ang ating kinakain. So, ito yung lunch ni Holly and dinner na rin ng boys. Kasi marami to. Marami yan na spare ribs. Oh. Tapos lalagyan kong noodles mamaya. Nilagay ko na pala yung noodles. Ayan, sobrang kumukulo na siya. Ito na yung noodles.
Feeling ready?
Yes,
Can't
baby.
wait to try your fantastic soup.
Ayan, lagay ko lang yung, mayroon akong chinap na, yung binol kong potato, lagyan ko lang na 3 maliliit to. Kasi si Holly pa lang naman ang kakain. And
I only have
also,
wheat bits.
yeah, kanina, breakfast, yung spring onion. And okay na to, serve na natin to kay Holly girl.
Really
Yung guys,
ready?
yeah, but it's really hot, baby.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna mix
Put it
it.
in a bowl and just
Do you want rice as well?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Wait, is there any rice in there?
Yes, I just,
You cooked it already?
yeah, I cook it.
Oh! Can't wait to try, Mom. It's gonna be delicious.
And eto rin yung bagong lutong rice. Mausok pa. So, nilagyan ko rin pala siya ng spring onions. Ayan.
This soup
It's very hot, Baba. And eto yung rice niya.
is the rice hot.
It's, yes.
Thank you, Mom.
Welcome. Oops. Yung gimbal ng ating DJ. Still hot, Baba, ha? You just be careful. And meron siyang chopstick kasi marunong naman siya mag-chopstick.
Let me just have a little bit of rice.
Okay. Put little bit of soup if you want. O, diba? Pag binaba ko, ang makikita nyo na lang yung bowls. Ito yung mahirap dito sa...
That's a big bone there. That's a bone.
Yeah, it's ribs. Did you put the soup? Nilagyan niya ng soup. Yung buhok niya, guys, tingnan nyo. Ayaw niya pang ipatanggal yung braid. Parang mag-ano na yan ba? Mag-isang buwan.
What's that mean?
Your braid has been there like almost a month.
It's in Bali, Mom.
I know. Ayaw niya pa. Use this one. For your soup.
That's Mom. Thanks.
Blow, blow, blow.
This soup is good. I like this. So good.
Do you want me to help you to remove the bone? Hindi kasi sila sanay kumain ng may buto. Gusto nila laging,
This rice is so good.
easy. Ako naman gusto ko ang bone. It's very tender, Baba. See? It will come off easily.
Is the bone hot? So I can suck it.
Yeah, you can suck the bone.
Just like you do.
Super tender nito. Ayan, tanggalan natin.
Always a good time to eat hot food when it's cold day.
That's right.
But for dinner's alright. But
This
this is
one.
my dinner.
This one,
Yeah.
because Daddy,
Dad's just having toast with egg.
yeah, yun ang request ni
Can
Jan.
you
Kasi
just
kahapon,
make me
di ba?
Do
Kagabi
you have any
heavy.
avocados?
Yes, I do. So, ayan. Do you want me to remove the bones or you gonna suck it
I'm
later?
gonna suck it later.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Salamat.
Walang anuman.
What's that mean?
You're welcome.
What type of noodles are these? These
Um,
are slippery.
sweet potato noodles. You had that before. See, it's like a jelly.
I have to. In Adelaide.
Yeah, in Express Soul when we order takeaway. Oo nga, that's right. still hard to suck the bone, baby.
Yeah, I'm not trying to get the noodle off it. That meat is good.
Tender, isn't it?
I always like your soup.
Thank you.
It's starting to cool down. I'm going to put some chicken into my rice.
That's not chicken, that's
And then
pork.
I always feel like it's chicken when it's pork. That has some bone in it. No,
Yeah, remove the bone.
no place now.
Gusto niya pa, naubos niya, oh. There you go. Ayan yung kanyang second round.
Thank you.
Very hot.
That's a big meat. That's
Yeah,
good.
very hot, okay? Very hot. Tapos, kanina pa siya tapos kumain.
We can give this to Alan. This is Kuya TJ gave me this.
Alright. Just put in one bag. Nagdi-declutter kami ng mga damit niya. Ito yung, yan yung mga damit. Hi, ang DJI natin. So, ito yung mga damit na gusto niya pa. And yung mga ayaw niya na, tsaka hindi nakasya sa kanya. Asaan na kayo? Ayan, pinapalagay ko sa bag na yan. Ay, ayaw na. Ayan.
Will this fit anyone?
Willow will fit it. Tapos, pagpipilian ulit namin, yung pwede namin ibigay sa pinsan niya kay Willow.
Kuya TJ, will they come on Saturday?
So, yan yung ginagawa namin after ko siyang pakain. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-edit, pero yeah, inaayos ko lang muna tong ano niya din, yung mga gamit. Habang nandito siya, para alam ko kung anong gusto niya, alin yung gusto niya pang isuot at saka ayaw.
Will this fit what? Will this fit Oh,
No.
I was like, wait, what?
Alright, just put it there, Baba. Bless you. Just put it in one bag. And meron pang mga damit dun sa closet niya na kailangan kong dalhin din dito para pagpilian niya. So, yun yung ganap ko ngayon, guys. Hindi pa ako pagtupi ng mga sinampay ko. Pero eto kasi, importanteng ma-declutter ko. And habang nandito siya para alam ko kung ano yung ayaw niya.
This is a sack.
Ayan na yung mga natanggal niya. Isang sako ng, isang bin bag na.
Wait, I want to see if I can lift it. What's
Okay.
if the bag will bite?
Oh,
Let's
no.
go scavenger hunting.
Ha?
Let's go scavenger hunting for more pets.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.